Welcome, travelers, to the heart of Istanbul. Today, we're exploring one of the city's most historic and charming landmarks, Beta Han. Nestled in the vibrant district of Sirkeci, this beautifully restored caravanserai offers a glimpse into the city's rich past. Beta Han, meaning New Han in Turkish, has a fascinating history. Originally built in the 16th century, it has served as a hub for traders, travelers, and artists throughout the centuries. Over the years, it was known by several names, including Emin Han, Tahmis Han, and Hasırcılar Han. The Han's architecture is a testament to Ottoman craftsmanship. Notice the intricate wooden carvings, the graceful arches, and the colorful tiles. These details are a reminder of the skilled artisans who worked on this building. Beta Han is more than just a building. It's a living piece of history. It has witnessed countless stories, from the bustling trade of the Silk Road to the cultural renaissance of the Ottoman Empire. The Han has played a crucial role in shaping Istanbul's identity. Step inside, and you'll find a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. The central courtyard is a peaceful place to relax and soak up the atmosphere. In the past, this courtyard would have been filled with the sounds of merchants haggling, camels being loaded, and travelers sharing stories. One of the highlights of Beta Han is the tea house. Here, you can savor a wide variety of Turkish teas while enjoying the historic ambience. It's the perfect place to unwind after a day of exploring the city. Beta Han is also home to a collection of charming shops and boutiques. You can find everything from traditional Turkish handicrafts to contemporary fashion. It's a great place to pick up unique souvenirs. Sun sets, Beta Han transforms into a magical place. The warm glow of the lights creates a romantic atmosphere. Whether you're a history buff, culture enthusiast, or simply looking for a unique experience, Beta Han is a must-visit destination in Istanbul. It's a truly magical place with something to offer everyone. Have you been to Beta Han? What did you think? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures.